The Algerian Air Force is expecting to receive a unit of 16 Su-30 MKA Flanker heavyweight fighters to expand its existing fleet of 58 jets, as part of a modernization program which will see it retire its Cold War-era MiG-29 S airframes. An order amounting to approximately $1.8 billion was reportedly placed in 2019 for 30 new Russian fighter jets, which alongside the Su-30s include 14 MiG-29 M medium-weight jets that have already begun to be delivered, according MilitaryWatchMagazine.com. The MiG-29 M uses a different airframe to the MiG-29 S with much greater use of modern composite materials, requires less maintenance, and integrates new cockpit displays, electronic warfare systems, avionics, engines and sensors. Unlike the Su-30 MKA, the MiG-29 M was not an aircraft Algeria previously fielded and was only deployed by Russia and Egypt before deliveries began in October 2020. Neither the Su-30 MKA nor the MiG-29 M is particularly specialized in any role, with both being highly capable in air-to-air, strike and anti-shipping roles and deploying a wide range of advanced munition types for these purposes. Armaments range from Kh-35 and Kh-31 anti-ship cruise missiles to R-77 active radar-guided air-to-air missiles. While the MiG-29 and Su-30 make up the bulk of the Algerian fleet, they are deployed alongside heavier and more specialized aircraft including multiple squadrons of Su-24 M strike fighters and a single squadron of MiG-25 interceptors. There have been multiple reports that the Su-24 M and MiG-25 fleets are also expected to begin to be replaced, the former by Su-34 M strike fighters which have been in service in Russia since 2014 and the latter by Su-57 next-generation stealth aircraft which have served in the Russian Air Force since December 2020. As the most widely used fighter in Algerian service, the Su-30 MKA will still be relied on to perform the majority of tasks and is considered one of the most capable fighters in Africa or the Arab world. In terms of air-to-air performance, the fighter was long considered the most capable in Africa until the entry into service of the Su-35 in Egypt from 2020. Although overwhelmingly relying on Russian technologies, the fighters use French heads-up and multifunction displays manufactured by the Thales Group and Sagam. The Su-30 MKA has a very high endurance, allowing it to deploy up to a dozen missiles for missions across considerable distances, including across much of continental Europe if operating from airfields in northern Algeria. Although requiring more maintenance and having higher operational costs than the smaller MiG-29 M, the fighters will provide a major improvement over the older MiG-29 S jets they are replacing and enjoy a comfortable advantage over most Western fighters.